Hi friends, welcome to Facts O'Clock. Today we are going to talk about a famous Indian comic creator, Anand Pai.
Anant Pai was born on 17th September 1929 and he died on 24th February 2011. Now, how would it be if someone had lost his parents? It would be so difficult, right? Anant Pai also lost his parents at the age of 2. He spent the rest of his childhood with his grandpa. He further pursued his higher education in chemistry, physics, and chemical technology. How did he become a famous comic creator when he took chemistry? Let's find out. At that time, Anant Pai worked with the Times of India newspaper, but he was endowed with passion to write comics books. Oh, so that's how he became India's famous comic creator. Did you know there's an interesting story behind these comics, especially ACK Amar Chitra Katha? Let's see it. The story behind Amar Chitra Katha. Imagine this. A cheery bright day in Karol Bagh, New Delhi, when Anant Pai had gone to a TV shop since he wanted to buy a new one. In one of the TVs on sale, he had seen a quiz show going on. Quiz shows fascinated Anant Pai, so he stopped to watch. As the show's host asked three teams of students in Greek mythology who was the god of the oceans, A. Zeus, B. Hades, or C. Poseidon. Immediately, one of the students answered, Poseidon. It's correct if you know your Greek mythology. Then the show's host asked, in Indian mythology, who was Ram's mother? Kaushalya, Kunti, or Kaikeyi? The three teams fumbled and baffled to answer a simple question about Ram's mother. So after some time, the first team passed, saying Kausalya. The second team said Kunti, and the third team said Kaikeyi. Then and there, a thought struck Anant Pai. Why are people fumbling to answer a simple question on Indian mythology when they answered immediately a question about Greek mythology? That is when he decided to start his own comic series to make Indian mythology look easier and sound easier. That's how Amar Chitra Katha was born. Another success. Besides Amar Chitra Katha, which was flourishing with millions of copies every year, Anant Pai also wanted to start another series, which was a children's anthology where learning meets fun. So it consisted of quizzes, comics, short stories, jokes, and educational articles. While these things were successful in getting planned, the difficult thing was to give a name for it. When Anant Pai's colleague Subba Rao was attending a call, he said, I have another meeting. I will give you a tinkle later. So that's it. Anant Pai found the correct name for the comic, Tinkle. Awards and recognitions. So let's see how many awards he's got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, 10 awards. That's a lot. Let's see what they are, shall we? Number 1, the Lifetime Achievement Award, which he got in 2001. Number 2, the Karpur Chand Puraskar of Uttar Pradesh Bal Kalyan Sansthan Award, which was awarded to him in 1994. Number 3, Yudhvir Memorial Award in Hyderabad, which was awarded to him in 1996. Maharashtra Rajya Hindi Sahitya Academy Award 1996. Dr. T.M.A. Pai Memorial 1997. The University of Bombay Department of Chemical Technologies Distinguished Alumnus Award 1999. Millennium Konkani Sammelan Award, Illinois, USA in 2000. Rajaram Mohan Roy Library Foundations Award in 2001. Priyadarshini Academy Award 2002 and Vishwa Saraswat Samman Award in 2003. Personal life. Anant Pai was lovingly called Uncle Pai by children. Pai married Lalita at the age of 31. They were a childless family. Venkataraya and Sushila Pai were Anant Pai's parents. Let's see a message from Mrs. Pai. So when Mr. Pai began telling stories to children, I joined him on his journey. We would work tirelessly, sometimes without eating for hours. He always wanted my support in everything he did. He wouldn't travel anywhere in the world without me. Death. Anant Pai passed away at the age of 81. He died by a heart attack while recovering from his hip surgery. He died just 6 days after he got his Lifetime Achievement Award. Other books. Before getting the idea of making Amar Chitra Katha and Tinkle under Rang Rekha features, Anant Pai had made a large number of comics such as Ramu and Shamu, Kapish, Little Raji and Rekha. He also created educational strips such as Fact Fantasy, Funland and Funtime. Books, and more books. It took 2 years to sell 200 copies. Anant Pai begged the shopkeeper to keep his books. Later, ACK became so famous that they even had their own shelf of Amar Chitra Katha. By now, we have over 5 million copies of books. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive more notifications about our next videos. By the way, if you have any suggestions, please type it down in the comment section below.